My friends, today for the first time on this channel, I'm checking out this awesome band, Prevail, Violent Nature. Have I heard them before? Of course I heard them before. I actually seen this awesome band live, I think around 5-6 years ago. And as far as I remember, they were awesome. But, you know, I never made a reaction video and I decided to do it today. Why not? Let's check it out. Their new song, as I said, Violent Nature. People, please subscribe to my channel and let's enjoy the vibes. Let's go, people. Let's do this. Okay, no problem, guys. This is what I call fucking heavy.
I got my taste on the fucking so the feeling goes away.
Let's agree on this, people. This song is fucking heavy. Insane production, especially video production, yeah? This short video looks like a movie. Or at least it looks like a scene from the movie. I was not expecting anything like this from this band, guys. This is awesome.
Come break me and take me to the unforgiving. Unmake me and save me.
Oh! I don't know how to headbang to this. Nice, good stuff, good stuff. Guys, I was expecting to hear something heavy from this band, okay? But not this heavy, okay? I am honestly surprised, you know, with the structure of the song. Does this song even have a structure? Like, what the fuck was that, you know? I would like to describe this song. For me, it sounds like the burst of energy launched into space, and this burst of energy was caused by enormous amount of pain, you know? This is how I can describe this song. You know, this song has this fucking raw and aggressive energy, okay? And to be honest with you, I heard their songs before, and I was expecting to hear something a bit more melodic than this. But, you know, and then I have a question. Maybe exactly that's why they split up with the previous vocalist, because they had different views on the future of the band and direction the band's supposed to take. I don't know, people, if you have any information, please let me know in the comment section below. I love gossip. Please tell me what happened with the band. Today, my score is video production 10 out of 10, and for music 8 out of 10. I enjoyed the song a lot. People, thank you for this energy. I prevail. Have a great weekend, people. Love, peace, and heavy metal. Bye-bye.